Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube videos. You know what? It's always a pleasure to have you join me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, here I am. I am here at Quenbeyan and I'm just going to wait for my cousin to come and pick me up. I'm excited. I'm really more excited than anything else. Just being in Canberra. Yeah, so I left this morning at 7 o'clock and I've just arrived here at 10 past 7, right on, 10 past 11, sorry, right on 4 hours. So Quenbeyan, here I am, and at the railway station, and it's nice, it's quiet, different. Queanbeyan in Canberra, guys. Yeah, so this is where I am right now, and I will be most probably go sightseeing and see a few of the places here, but I'll just see what time the coaches runs every day. So yeah, it'll be great. But I'm sure they do have trains coming every so often around here. And then I'll be coming back here to catch my train back to Sydney. Be awesome. Wonderful. Yes. Queanbeyan railway station. Wow, I'm still excited. Oh gosh. Okay guys, thank you for coming on my video. I hope to see you again. Yes, I hope to see you again. And yes, I'll be making a few more videos while I'm here in Canberra. Cheers for now. I'll catch you again.